Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change charging sound on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the shortcut application under utilities. Or better still, go ahead and search for shortcut. Then once you open it, locate and click on automation. Now select new automation. Once you selected new automation, scroll down until you get to charger and then click on it. Then here you want to select is connected and check run immediately. Turn off notify when run and click on next at the top right. On the automation page, you should see what happened when you connect your iPhone to power source. Click on it. Then you should see do. Under do, click on no action. Now scroll down. You can go ahead and select play music or select file to select the sound you want to set as your iPhone charging sound. You can also select music. Then scroll through, locate your music if you have any, or better still, click on play music. Click on the pointed arrow on music. Click on shuffle. Set this to off. Click on repeat. Set this to 1. Then click on check mark. Then it's going to play music when next your iPhone is connected to a power source. And then you're good. So that's exactly how to change charging sound on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.